Mr. Willie Lee Cotton III. With 20 years of experience, I would like to present Life Insurance, a comprehensive guide to understanding and choosing the right policy. Life insurance is an essential tool for protecting your loved ones and ensuring their financial stability in the event of your unexpected death. Not only does it provide a source of income to cover expenses such as funeral costs and outstanding debts, but it can also help your dependents maintain their standard of living and provide a source of savings or investment. With the right policy, you can have peace of mind knowing that your family will be taken care of no matter what happens. When it comes to choosing a life insurance policy, there are several types to consider. Each type has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and it's important to understand the differences before making a decision. Here is a summary of the most common types of life insurance policies. Term life insurance. This type of policy provides coverage for a specific period of time, such as 10, 20, or 30 years. The premiums are generally lower than other types of life insurance, and the coverage ends when the term expires. This can make it a great option for those on a tight budget, or for those who only need coverage for a specific period of time, such as during the years when their children are dependent on them. Whole life insurance. This type of policy provides permanent coverage, and also includes a savings component that can accumulate cash value over time. The premiums are generally higher than term life insurance, but the coverage lasts for the policyholder's entire life. This can make it a great option for those who want the security of permanent coverage and the added benefit of a savings component. Universal life insurance. This type of policy also provides permanent coverage and a savings component, but it is more flexible than whole life insurance. Policyholders can adjust the coverage amounts and premium payments to fit their changing needs. This can make it a great option for those who want the flexibility to change their coverage as their needs change. Variable life insurance. This type of policy combines permanent coverage with the ability to invest the policy's cash value in a variety of investment options. The investment returns can affect the policy's death benefit and cash value. This can make it a great option for those who are willing to take on more risk in exchange for the potential for higher returns. Guaranteed. Universal life insurance. This type of policy is similar to universal life insurance, but it guarantees coverage for the policyholder's entire life. The premiums and death benefit are fixed, and the policy does not require as much management as other types of universal life insurance. This can make it a great option for those who want the security of guaranteed coverage, but don't want to manage their policy as much. When choosing a life insurance policy, it's important to consider your current and future needs, as well as your budget. It's also important to work with a reputable life insurance agent who can help you understand your options and choose the best policy for you. It's also important to remember that life insurance is not just for the young and healthy. Everyone, regardless of age or health, can benefit from having a life insurance policy. The cost of life insurance increases as you get older, so it's best to purchase a policy while you are still young and healthy. Another important aspect to consider is the size of the death benefit. It's important to have enough coverage to meet your family's needs in the event of your death. A good rule of thumb is to have coverage that is at least 10 to 12 times your annual income. In conclusion, life insurance is an important tool for protecting your loved ones and ensuring their financial stability. With the right policy, you can have peace of mind knowing that your family will be taken care of no matter what happens. It is important to evaluate your current and future needs, budget, and overall risk tolerance before choosing a policy. It is also important to work with a reputable life insurance agent who can provide guidance and advice throughout the process. In addition, it is important to review and update your policy regularly to ensure that it continues to meet your changing needs. Don't wait until it's too late. Start planning for your family's future today. With a reputable life insurance agent who can provide guidance and advice throughout the process. Additionally, it's important to review and update your policy regularly to ensure that it continues to meet your changing needs. Furthermore, there are different riders that can be added to the policy, such as accidental death and dismemberment, long-term care, and critical illness riders, which provide extra coverage and benefits in case of specific events. It's also important to keep in mind that the cheapest policy may not always be the best option for you and your family. It's important to look at the coverage and benefits offered by each policy and compare them to your needs and budget. By doing your research and working with a knowledgeable agent, you can make an informed decision that will provide the necessary protection for your loved ones in the future. Don't wait until it's too late. Start planning for your family's future today. We will place your future needs, budget, and overall risk tolerance before choosing a policy. It is also important to work with a reputable life insurance agent, such as Mr. Willie Lee Cotton III, who can help you understand your options and choose the best policy for you. Remember, life insurance is an investment in your family's future and peace of mind. It's important to consider your options and make an informed decision, as Mr. Willie Lee Cotton III would advise.